Hello everyone, my name is Disha Saliyan. I'm studying in Srinivas Institute of Technology, first year CSBS. My topic is GPS for pets. GPS for pets, also known as pet tracker or pet GPS tracker. These are the devices designed to track the locations of the pets. This device utilizes global positioning system technology to provide real-time information about the whereabouts of pets. Here how it is works. Device. The GPS tracker for the pets consists of small, lightweight device that is attached to the pet's collar or the harness. The device usually includes a GPS receiver, a cellular transmitter, and sometimes additional features like activity monitoring or health tracking. Then about GPS technology. The GPS receiver in the device receives signal from a network of the satellite orbiting the Earth. Then about the cellular connectivity. Once the pet tracker determines its location, it transmits that information to a cellular network. Mobile app or website. Pet owners can access the pet's location information through a mobile or the website provider, providing by the GPS tracking service. Notifications and alert. If the pet goes outside the predefined safe zone or geo, the GPS tracker sends the alert to the owner's smartphone through other communication channels. Battery life. Pet GPS tracker have built-in batteries that need to be recharged periodically. The battery life can be depending on the devices and its usage. Here are the some components that is used in GPS devices. GPS GPS chipset. The GPS chipset is the core component that receives signals from the global positioning system satellite and calculates the precise location coordinates. Cellular modem. Many pet GPS trackers include a cellular modem to transmit the pet's location data to a remote server. Then about the battery, PET GPS devices are powered by the rechargeable batteries. The battery capacity and type many vary depending on the devices. Then about the antenna, an antenna is used to receive GPS and cellular signals. Microcontroller, the microcontroller is the central processing unit of the GPS device. It handles data processing, communication with other components. Then about the sensors, some pet GPS devices may incorporate additional sensors such as accelerometer. Then about the memory, pet GPS tracker often have onboard memory to store location history. User interface, many pet GPS devices feature a user interface such as buttons, LED indicator or touch screens. Enclosure, the enclosure or casing houses and protect the internal component of the GPS device. It is usually designed to be durable, waterproof and comfortable for the pets to wear. Thank you.